So this is the MB trac 1500 that we've been messing about with for a while. At one stage we were thinking about painting that black, but she is going to be kept original green colours. Do you think all the same that if we're painting her black, a nice pearlescent black, maybe with a tinge of red, or you can put a tinge of green in it, she would look really cool with silver wheels and just wee bits and pieces just to make her nice. She probably would be a nice looking tractor, but her original seems to be the way to go. So we have had the back tray off her and a few panels off her, the steps, mud guards off her, working at them there, getting them ready. At the minute she's sitting in reverse drive, which looks a bit strange and a wee bit strange to drive in reverse also. So that's what you're looking at when you look at the back of her. You're looking at the steering wheel, and there's not really pretty much left on the back of her at the minute. Just the drawbar and hitch. When she did come to this tractor to start, the seat inside her was seized. So after a wee while figuring it out, there is actually a pin that drops down to lock the seat. So after we got that pin and lift it, once a bit of oil and a bit of freeing, we did get her. I think, let's see now, that's actually the pin there that lifts the seat. There's a circuit holding it up at the minute because it's not quite working the way it should be working, and that's where all the wires and stuff go up to the dashboard. Somebody has been doing a bit of messing about with the wires here, so when we're stripping her out, we'll try to fix all that there. Also, when you pull the throttle backwards and forwards, there is a, I guess you can't really see it, but there's it knocks in, and there you can see it lifting and coming down. That locks your steering wheel in. You push your throttle hand lever full forward it and they adjust it because it's hitting the windscreen at the minute to get the whole lot spin round, and the whole lot just spins round fairly easy. So cab hasn't come off yet. Where we have two bolts through here. That cab there, if you listen to your 4 engine mount bolts, you can jack that cab up at 45 degrees, and that allows you to get underneath at the gearbox to do work on it, which is just kind of a handy enough thing. As for the engine, so you can get a new pipe for that turbo. Well, so that's not an original one. Tried to labour the best we can. She's a bit bare at the minute. You've just got your hydraulic hoses. We'll be putting front links on this tractor. That's your power steering reservoir. She has the big hydraulic tank in her too. I'm told that there, Anna. I don't really know an awful lot about these tractors, to be honest with you, but we're learning. That's your fuel tank, I take it. So that cab on this tractor is actually quite good, bar the roof. We forgot to put new roof skin in it, as it is badly rusted. You can't really see down from here, but apart from that there, that's the tractor. The back frame that we had been working on, this is this bit here, and this bit here that we have cut off is pretty much in bad shape, so we're going to make a new piece for this. The floor, somebody had the floor cut off. You see missing here, it should go the whole way to the front. So as you can see along these edges, there's just holes along there, and it's basically beyond repair, I would say, not unless you want a bit of fiberglass in it. So this wee panel here, it is the bit that sits in front of the cab where you're not going to really see, but there's been pitting with rust, so We like to put marks up so it doesn't see no them awful marks in it. That's the steps that come off her, which are probably, I would say, scrap unless some man wants to take a good while hammering and banging at them. That's the bonnet. Side panels, we're going to get all that stuff painted, prepared and painted and put away before we get stuck in to the rest of the tractor. That there's just some of the R parts there. The air cleaner had a big dinge in the side of it, so it needed repaired. And what is in the oven here at the minute is all the rest of her parts. They have been sitting in here for the past 3 hours, I would say, in about 40 degrees heat. So there shouldn't be much damp on them, I don't think. So they're all ready to get primered, and then get the primer up tomorrow, get them painted. Well, that will be the first lot of parts of the MB Trac 1500 done. So that's how we're getting on that, girl.